For this characterization lesson, we are going to take a look at how to identify the response of a character as internal or external. The way we're going to do that is we are going to read a sentence and then look at the character's actions, look at maybe what the character says or how the character is described. So let's look at this first sentence. Malfoy, said Neville shakily. I met him outside the library. He said he'd been looking for someone to practice that on. So let's take a look. Neville said that shakily. Is it an internal or external conflict? Well, if you are shaking when you say something, then it is going to be a result of an internal response, but it's also an external response too. So he is maybe a little bit scared while he's saying that. How do we know? Well, shaking when talking is an emotional reaction to fear. So what is that feeling? Fear, maybe even a little bit of regret. Okay. Those are our steps to thinking through internal and external responses. So first of all, identify if it's happening inside the body, outside the body, or both. And then how do you know? Talk about your personal connection, your own understanding to what is happening inside the body or outside the body. And then what is the emotion that goes with that connection you describe? Our next sentence, it was the first time Hermione had ever failed to answer a teacher's question. She was staring at her slippers, as still as a statue. So you need to decide, as she fails to answer the questions, staring at slippers, is that an internal or external response? And then describe what you know about that response and what is the feeling that goes with it. Then explain, how did Gryffindor's attitude change towards Neville in a positive way when he stands up to Ron, Harry, and Hermione?